Tips on recognizing nouns. Some nouns have distinct, meaning clear, unique, and obvious endings. Some of these common endings are hood, nis, mint, itty, ation, ents, and ints. For example, neighborhood, stupidness, disappointment, responsibility, formation, dominance, and consequence. If you speak a Romance language like French or Spanish, the words that end in itty, ation, ents, and ints are usually the same with only slight spelling changes. Another way to recognize a noun is by looking at what comes before it. In English, adjectives usually come before the noun. Big book, smart student, cloudy morning. Determiners, which includes the articles a and the, as well as words like this, these, such, and his, also come before nouns. A book, an apple, the smart student, these cloudy mornings, his umbrella, such arrogance. Types of nouns. Names of specific people, places, animals, companies, and organizations, days of the week, and months of the year are proper nouns. You easily notice a proper noun because the first letter will be capitalized, no matter where it is in a sentence. I've already mentioned Albert Einstein and my own name, Callan. A few places are the United States, New Delhi, and the Amazon rainforest. As a child, I had a dog named Katie, and today my parents have cats called Orion and Twain. A few companies and organizations are the United Nations, Tesla, Xbox, and MasterCard. And I'm writing this on a Thursday, but I probably won't film it until Friday. As well, it's January, so it's cold outside, but I'm looking forward to warmer weather in April. If a noun is referring to a person, place, thing, or idea in a general, non-specific way, that means it's a common noun and is not capitalized unless it's at the beginning of a sentence or used in a title, like, this is a picture of the dog I had as a child. I told you before, my dog was called Katie, but in this case, I'm not mentioning her specific name, instead using the common noun dog to refer to what type of animal she was. Another example, this man is a writer. Man is a common noun referring to a person. With a proper noun, I could also say Mark Twain is an author. Concrete nouns. If we have a concrete noun, that means that it is a physical thing, person, or place that we can touch, smell, taste, hear, or see, like cell phones, perfume, pasta, music, and the road when driving. We are constantly touching our cell phones. A nice perfume smells great. I love the taste of a good pasta. I'm always listening to music, and it's hard to see the road when it's really cloudy. Abstract nouns. The opposite of concrete nouns are abstract nouns. I just talked about how we experience concrete nouns through our 5 senses, which are touch, smell, taste, hearing, and sight. We don't interact with abstract nouns through our senses, meaning we don't touch, smell, taste, hear, or see them. Instead, they are related to our emotions, feelings, and concepts that we think. For example, happiness and sadness are opposite emotions. Boredom is the feeling that we have when we are not entertained, while excitement means we are enjoying what is happening. Some important concepts that we try to obey in our daily lives are respect, courtesy, and politeness. And whether you are a business person studying an abstract noun like statistics, or a scientist developing a new theory, also an abstract noun, everyone should be respectful, courteous, and as polite as possible.